Atama, everything is set for our camping trip to Road Forest. I've packed all the essentials and everyone's getting ready. The only thing I'm worried about is cooking rice since Dad can't go without it. How do we cook rice without cookers and electricity in the forest? Do you think we should take something else for Dad?
My dear, just bring rice, a vessel, and a cotton cloth. I'll teach you a hack to cook rice without cookers or electricity, and I'll explain its benefits too. We're getting late. Let's go, and I'll tell you more in the car.
Okay, Atama, let me ask everyone if they're ready and we shall start.
So, my dear, to cook rice without electricity or a cooker, we just need to fill a vessel with as much rice as you want to cook and plenty of water, without any measurement per se for this method. Put the vessel on the fire and let it boil for approximately 20 minutes. Make sure the rice is well cooked since this isn't a steam method. Once the rice is cooked, take the vessel off the fire. Cover the vessel with a cotton cloth and drain the excess water. Alternatively, you can pour the cooked rice and water into another vessel lined with a cotton cloth. Then lift out the cloth to drain the water. Let the rice dry a bit to evaporate excess moisture. That's it! This method ensures you don't end up with overcooked or mushy rice.
Wow, Atama, that's amazing. You mentioned there are benefits to this method too. Can you please tell me what are those?
Yes, dear. From years, when there was no electricity and cookers, people used this method. It saved time, storage space, and ensured perfect consistency. Plus, the water drained after cooking is rich in starch and can be used to soak cotton garments, making them firmer and easier to iron.
That's fantastic, Atama. Thank you so much for teaching me this hack. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe Madhuri Methods.